What kind of coverage is provided if I have homeowners insurance and I have pets?
Well, every homeowner policy sold in Georgia, and most likely everywhere, includes coverage for liability insurance, which is whatever your animals do to somebody else. Some policies are restricted. They'll only pay up to a certain amount of money. Other policies will pay up to the face value of the policy, which could be several $100,000.
So I have 4 cats, a pit bull, an American bulldog, and a chihuahua. Are all my animals covered?
Well, that is a good question. And the part that stuck with me was the pit bull factor. Did you know that most major insurance companies have stipulations on the types of dogs that you can own and buy insurance for? Pit bulls being probably the biggest no-no.
So they would discriminate against my pit bull even though a chihuahua is far more likely to bite someone?
Even though pit bull dogs and several other species, child mixes, have been known to be overly aggressive, and the insurance companies will not insure you if they know you own that dog. Now, you might get the dog along the way, but as soon as your insurance company finds out about it, they will non-renew your policy, of course, because you are harboring a dangerous animal, and pit bulls are deemed to be dangerous.
So is there an insurance company that you represent that could cover me with all of my animals?
To be honest with you, no. Every company I represent frowns on pit bulls. They just, it's just not worth it to them. As a matter of fact, a little known fact is that over 1/3 of all homeowner liability claims are caused by dog bites. That's a big, big percentage. And usually, in the greatest percentage of cases, they are dogs like pit bulldogs and German shepherds and Rottweilers and things of that nature. The Chihuahuas, you know, they may have a propensity to bite, but they don't really hurt.
Well, so what would you recommend that I do?
Well, I would recommend that you don't own a pit bulldog or any species like that. It's just, unfortunately, I realize that some of them are very nice, but the overwhelming number of dog bites are related to those specific breeds. It's just an undeniable fact. And you just never know when your dog is going to attack somebody, and these claims can run hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's just a terrible circumstance, and we, you know, being prudent insurance people, would have to say, don't have a dog like that.
So do you have an available list of dogs that
do. We do, and it's quite a short list. It's only the most obvious and dangerous dogs. And as far as I know, there are no insurance companies out there that will willingly insure a home that has pit bulldogs residing there, at least in Georgia.
Thank you.
You're welcome.